Trying to find something that'll carry our Sawzall blades is really tough. They got those little plastic containers, you know, it's got 5 or 6 blades in there, but I don't know, the top always seems to break off of them and then they spill out everywhere. But what I have done is we're going to use, of course this is great, I'm going to go out and get the piece I'm going to use. This is 1-inch PVC. I got some 1¼ inch. 1¼ inch seems like it'll take a few more blades. This is 1¼ inch, that thin wall. I don't know. Anyway, probably for sprinkler systems. We can fit quite a few blades in there. And they're inexpensive when you buy all the parts. We got a cap that's going to get glued on one end. Then we have an adapter that's going to glue on the other end. And then of course a screw-on cap to keep everything in there. So I think all in total it's about $3 or $4 for this whole thing. I don't even think it's that much, probably around $2. I don't know. Anyway, let's glue all this stuff on there. Get that end done. That end's done. And that's all there is to it. Just don't get any glue on your threads. This way you can just throw your Sawzall blades in there, make them any size you want, and loosen your blades. At least now you know where you keep them. Okay, got us a little chain on here. I know chains can be a nuisance. And there you go.